Take the glass frog, for example, found in the rainforests of Central and South America. This tiny amphibian has skin so clear you can see its beating heart, digestive system, and even its bones. Why? Because when it sits still on a leaf, predators looking up from below see right through it, making the frog nearly invisible against the sunlight filtering through the trees. Similarly, deep-sea creatures like the glass squid have evolved see-through bodies to disappear in the open ocean, where there's nowhere to hide. In a world where predators rely on silhouettes to spot their prey, being transparent is the ultimate survival trick.